Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a super flavorful dish, soy sauce shredded chicken. Just look at this, juicy chicken, golden on the outside, tender on the inside, soaked with soy sauce fragrance. It's the kind of the dish that makes you hungry just by looking at it. Alright, let's get started. Here I've got 2 chicken thighs. I've soaked them in water for a while to draw out the blood. For aromatics, we will need big chunks of scallion, ginger, star anise, cinnamon, bay leaves, and a few dried chilies. That's all we need for our ingredients. Simple and straightforward. Now let's cook. Heat some oil in the wok. Once the oil is hot, lay the chicken in skin side down. Don't touch it yet. Let it sit and start to crisp. When the skin turns a nice golden brown, flip it over and cook the other side until it's just as golden and fragrant. If there's too much oil, you can spoon some out and save it for another dish later. Next, add in our aromatics and let them sizzle in the oil until they smell amazing. Then add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, a touch of oyster sauce. Pour in enough hot water to just cover the chicken. Then season with 0.5 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon MSG, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon white pepper. Cover with a lid, turn the heat down low, and let it simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken thighs. Alright, time's up. Let's check. Wow, the kitchen is full of that amazing aroma. Let's remove the aromatics and take the chicken out to cool for a bit. While the chicken rests, let's make a dipping sauce. In a bowl, add some minced garlic and chopped cilantro. Then pour in the remaining braising liquid. Add 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 2 tablespoons chili oil. Give it a stir and our sauce is ready. Now the chicken is cool enough to handle. Let's shred it apart. Oh my gosh, looking at that. So tender, so juicy. I can hardly resist. Finish with some toasted sesame seeds. Just the smell alone is mouth-watering. Let me take a bite for you guys. That soy sauce fragrance, that tender chicken. It's honestly irresistible. This dish is super simple to make and so worth it. Go try it at your home. You will see exactly what I mean. Thanks for watching. See you next time.